Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cedrus Bytes, our monthly perspective of the investment scenario. And today, we would like to throw some light upon why the Indian equity markets, are moving higher, which is contrary to the expectation of a lot of investors. Most of the investors were expecting the markets to correct, but it's the markets have moved the other way, and this has taken a lot of investors by surprise. Now, what is the markets seeing which we are not able to see? I feel there are a few reasons why the markets have moved higher. A few of the points which I would like to throw some light upon is the 90,000 crore GST collection, which came up yesterday. This is more or less, to at normal levels. So, is it the that the demand has come back to normal, or is the tide turning, or is there something else? The second reason is the China effect. We have been talking about China since a very long time and how it can actually, the Atmanirbhar campaign, which the government is running for our manufacturers, how it can actually positively affect the Indian manufacturers. And that is seeing some light of the day. The third reason is there has been a resilient rural demand, as well as we see a good growth opportunity coming from the rural areas. The fourth reason I feel is that there are expected big bang reforms on labor as well as land, which are expected from the government, and this again will bear some very positive effect on the markets. The last reason is what the markets were expecting. I think the economy is reviving faster than expected. And these are a few reasons why I really feel that the markets are moving higher, taking heart upon these various things which are expected in the near future. But the markets are definitely running on expectations. And in case these expectations do not bear fruit, you will see the markets correct. Why have the markets risen? Now, there are a few reasons why the markets have risen. Few of them are there has been ample liquidity from the FIIs, DIIs, as well as HNI investors. Reliance has done multiple equity sale of Reliance Jio platform and has virtually become debt free. Now, what this means is Reliance becoming debt free is going to support the market because Reliance has a 12 to 13% weightage on the Nifty, and that's one of the reasons why the markets have moved higher. The third reason is the rural economic growth, and we see the rural revival being faster than the urban economy. A few sectors which are rural driven, like pesticides, fertilizers, two wheeler manufacturers, FMCG, these are going to see revival faster than expected. The other reason is that there have been a few sectors which have been fairly resilient or have seen minimal disruption, and these sectors like telecom, utilities, FMCG, pharma, these are a few sectors which actually have been fairly resilient, and that's one of the reasons why they have been moving higher. If you actually see that the leaders have changed, the leadership has definitely changed from banking and finance to pharma, Reliance, utilities, chemicals, pesticides. So these are the sectors which are actually leading the rally. The last reason is there has been a lot of interest coming in the mid and small cap space, especially from the HNIs. The reason is that the small and mid cap space had been fairly muted since the last 2 to 3 years, and the valuations are very attractive. There are good quality mid and small cap companies which are seeing a lot of interest from HNI investors. That's one of the reasons why you're seeing a rally, which is a broad based rally and is not specific to a few stocks. I would like to advise my investors that the markets have moved higher, but definitely we are not out of the woods. There are a lot of skeletons which are can come out of the cupboard. We need to be investing based on our risk appetite. Invest in good quality stocks. Do not do momentum investing, and that is how you will actually earn returns over a longer period of time in the equity markets. Hope you found this video informative. We will get back to you with more such information. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Thank you.